What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the biggest stories shaping the future. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI. And let me tell you, it's a roller coaster ride. From groundbreaking new tools to billion-dollar bids and global summits, AI is dominating headlines like never before. Let's get into it. 1. OpenAI's new tool and Musk's bid. First up, OpenAI is making waves again. According to Forbes, they just launched a powerful new AI research tool. We don't have all the specifics yet, but the buzz is that this could be a game changer for AI development. It's going to be fascinating to see how researchers use this to push the boundaries of what's possible. But that's not all for OpenAI. Hold on to your hats, because the New York Times is reporting that Elon Musk is leading a staggering $97.4 billion bid to control OpenAI. Whoa, talk about a power move. Musk's history with OpenAI is, well, it's complicated. If this bid goes through, it could dramatically alter the direction of one of the most influential AI companies on the planet. What do you think? Is this a good move? Sound off in the comments below. 2. Paris AI Summit. Shifting gears, all eyes were on Paris this week for a high stakes AI summit. ABC News reports that world leaders and tech titans converged to discuss the future of AI, focusing on things like regulation, ethical development, and the potential impact on society. The Times of India quotes Google CEO Sundar Pichai saying that we're still in the early days of AI, and yet, which is a pretty powerful statement, underscoring both the potential and the uncertainty surrounding this technology. There were reports of challenging diplomatic talks, but ultimately leaders called for unity and equitable development of the AI. We will have to wait and see what regulations come from this summit. And this wasn't the only event going on. AI News covered a story about the summit's leaders calling for unity and equitable development. They're calling for everyone to come together and ensure AI doesn't leave anyone behind. 3. Ethical concerns and investments. Now, let's talk about the darker side of tech. BBC News dropped a bombshell report exposing how big tech's ad systems are allegedly helping to fund child abuse online. This is absolutely unacceptable, and it highlights the urgent need for greater accountability and stricter safeguards within these platforms. We have to ensure that these powerful systems are not being exploited to harm the most vulnerable, but it's not all doom and gloom. On a more positive note, there's massive investment pouring into the AI space. TechCrunch reports that investments in the French AI ecosystem alone have reached $85 billion. That's a staggering amount of money, showing just how much confidence there is in the future of AI. It seems countries all over the world want to get a piece of the pie. And speaking of investments, Cointelegraph reveals that Saudi Arabia is partnering with tech giants in a $14.9 billion AI expansion. This move further solidifies AI's place as a global priority, with nations around the world vying for leadership in this rapidly evolving field. 4. EU regulation and AppleCare Plus. The EU has been very active on this front. Benzinga reports that Meta plans not to comply with the EU AI Code of Practice. It's a bold move, and one that's sure to spark controversy, particularly as the EU continues to crack down on data privacy and AI ethics. In other news from Benzinga, Apple is raising the subscription cost of AppleCare Plus. It's a reminder that even the biggest companies are constantly adjusting their pricing and services in this competitive landscape. 5. Wrapping up and call to action. So, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the latest in AI and tech news. We've seen groundbreaking innovations, ethical dilemmas, massive investments, and regulatory battles. One thing is clear: AI is changing the world, and it's happening fast. I'm curious, what are your thoughts on all of this? What excites you the most about AI? What concerns you? Let's get a conversation going in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, subscribe to the channel for more tech news and analysis, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.